So today I'm testing the capabilities of the Portland electric chainsaw from Harbor Freight. Honestly, it's definitely no gas-powered saw, but as you'll see, it definitely gets the job done. I'm seriously impressed. Not gonna lie, it would have been a lot nicer to have a bigger bar, but for a 14-inch electric chainsaw, this is a big tree. Well, I have to say, I'm quite impressed with this Harbor Freight Portland 14-inch electric chainsaw. I mean, it completely cut up this tree. Now, is it gonna keep up with any gas chainsaws? No. And is the cord a pain in the butt? Yes. But it's definitely a capable saw. I would say worth the money. You're definitely not using this thing to make a living, but if you have a little tree or some limbs that need to be cut up, this thing's more than capable. I also thought I should mention I'm not in any way, shape, or form sponsored by anyone.